Hi Tentworld viewers, this is Deon from the Ferntree Gully store. Today I'm going to show you the Coleman extra long 1.5 metre LPG hose, which connects from a BOM fitting for the Coleman regulators on stoves like this to a 3/8 gas fitting, which is on a gas bottle like this, or I've also got one for the larger gas bottle, which is the POL fitting. But for now, we'll just talk about this one because I bought this one recently to replace my hose on my Coleman even temp. My stove is about 9 years old now. It's still going really well, but it did need a new hose. So I did buy this. Works really well, very simple to install. It's ideal for running gas appliances like the Coleman even temp that run from disposable BOM cylinders, if you prefer to run them from a gas bottle, a refillable gas bottle. So if you have a gas appliance which runs on a disposable gas cylinder like this, you can use this hose instead, which runs to a 3/8 gas bottle, and that will be a lot more economic for you. They work on the Coleman even temps, like I said, the Hyperflame Fire Knights, the Fire Cadets, the Companion Buddy heaters, the Mr. Buddy portable heaters, the Companion AquaCube Logic water heaters as well. I highly recommend these hoses. It's a cheap fix to get a lot more economy out of your running costs. So if you want to pick one of these up, you can visit our online store at tentworld.com.au or come into one of our locations. Look forward to seeing you. Bye.